In a significant development, the United States is considering to offer strategic military hardware to India on a long-term lease, a practice that is often employed by Russia in its dealings with India. The United States recognizes the importance of offering India attractive alternatives to Russian military hardware to further strengthen its defense partnership, and while the Pentagon is currently exploring various options about the military hardware it intends to offer, one possible avenue could involve providing India with nuclear attack submarines, as India has plans to lease 2 more nuclear attack submarines soon. Another platform under discussion is the long-term lease of B-1 Lancer bomber, as India had considered the possibility of leasing Russian Tu-22M3 nuclear strategic bombers in the past. The DRDO chief has said in an interview that apart from powering unmanned combat aerial vehicle, the dry Kaveri engine will also serve as the foundation for the creation of a new 5th-generation 110 kN class of engine, which will be a collaborative venture with an international partner that will take an estimated 10 years for its development. The 110 kN engine will be a crucial component of AMCA Mark II and TED-BF program, as well as future unmanned platforms. He also pointed out that the Kaveri engine is considered a 4th-generation engine, but the collaboration with an international partner will result in the development of a 5th-generation engine. The Indian Army is set to embark on a groundbreaking initiative to integrate micro-drones with its fleet of main battle tanks that can launch directly from the tank's turret. They are equipped to operate autonomously and can rapidly detect emerging enemy targets, track enemy targets and provide real-time data on their location and movements, and organizing other critical data for the tank crew. Apart from reconnaissance, surveillance and target acquisition, this micro-drone can be armed with explosives to work in tandem with anti-tank missiles to destroy the identified threats. A high-level Malaysian delegation led by Malaysian Deputy Secretary General paid a visit to Mazagan Dock shipbuilders, during which discussions took place on the exploration of possibilities for collaborative efforts in co-design, co-production and co-development within the defense sector. India and Malaysia both operate Scorpene-class submarines, and Malaysia has expressed interest in integrating Indian weapon systems like BrahMos and She. The discussions could also lead to overhaul of 2 Malaysian Scorpene submarines at Mazagan Dock shipbuilders, with the potential of integrating the DRDO-developed AIP system. At a time when Indian Air Force is planning to procure 6 more Netra Mark I, Russia has said that its A-50U upgraded airborne long-range radar surveillance and guidance system can detect new types of stealth aircraft, as well as target identification for land and marine targets. The upgraded A-50U AWACS has modern electronics with improved performance metrics and speed, and it can simultaneously track more than 300 targets, and can identify bomber from 650 kilometers, cruise missiles from more than 215 kilometers, and even small targets like drones. An Indian Army contingent comprising 32 soldiers have departed for Russia to participate in the counter-terrorism field training exercise 2023 with 12 other participating armies. The exercise will comprise a number of counter-terror drills that will provide the Indian Army with a platform to share their expertise and best practices, besides increasing cooperation between the other participating armies.